Hey everyone, this is Martinez Drinks, and today we're going to be making a dry martini. So we're going to start off with the mixing glass here. We're going to do 1 dash of orange bitters. I did 2. I don't know why I always do that. Then we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of Extra Dry Martini and Rossi Dry Vermouth, which is a fortified wine for those of you that don't know. Then I just picked up this bottle of Aviation Gin. I like it because it's florally and it's got a lot of esters in it. So we're going to do about 2 ounces in there. It's supposed to be, I think, 2.5 to be honest with you. So, okay, we'll do 2.5. Fill that sucker up, right? All right, so there we go. I'm gonna throw those in there, and then we're gonna add our giant ice cubes to get it nice and chilled. Now, I'm a modern man. I work from home. My wife goes out, so she's gonna be coming home soon. So I thought it'd be kind of nice to make her a martini. When she walks in, just hand this right to her. So this is my practice round. All right, so you want to get that nice and chilled. You want to be stirring this for about 20 seconds right here. Get it nice and frothy. No, not frothy, but then you're going to get your chilled martini glass right here because you always want it chilled, and it has to be nice and super cold, okay? And do that. And while we're doing that, I'm going to prep this lemon peel. Leave that in there for just a second. We're going to do a little lemon twist on the edge of this. So take your knife and just kind of score it. I'm doing a smaller lemon twist here. So that's why I'm not getting out my actual peeler. I'm just going to cut this myself just like so. And then we're going to trim off the sides. Do a little thing like this. I don't want that to get watered down too quickly, so I need to hurry. The key to a good martini is to not let it sit in the ice and not let it dilute. You just want to get it nice and chilled, just like we're doing, but I'm doing this for too long now. So, all right, so let's cut up that lemon right there. And then we're gonna actually express this into here for just a second. And I'm gonna give it a nice solid twist. Should have made this a little longer. Then we're gonna put that on the edge. I'm gonna julep strain this out. And this is gonna be an extra dry martini because we use the extra dry Martini and Rossi right there. So that should be a solid 3-ounce pour once we're done, and it is. That right there is the martini. Let's give it a taste. Oh, that's really good. Oh, that Aviation really does make it the extra dry. I like an extra dry one. So the martini, by the way, is based off of the Martinez cocktail. That was the originator, I guess you could say, of the martini. And then there are all the variations after that. But anyway, that is the martini. Cheers.